Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI-powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future today. Turn OpenClaw into a powerful personal assistant with these 5 hands-on projects from beginner to advanced by Kanwal Marian, KD Nuggets technical editor and content specialist on April 6, 2026 in artificial intelligence. What if your AI assistant didn't just chat but actually work for you across apps, automation, and real tasks? In this journey, you will build OpenClaw step by step, from messaging and local AI to full automation and 24/7 deployment. OpenClaw is an open source personal AI assistant that runs locally and connects to apps like WhatsApp and Telegram to handle real tasks. This 5 fun project series helps you learn step by building practical, increasingly advanced AI assistant capabilities. Number 1. Building a chat-based assistant on Telegram and WhatsApp. Build a chat-based assistant by integrating OpenClaw with Telegram and WhatsApp, making it accessible directly from your phone. Learn to connect messaging channels, test conversations, and deploy your assistant in everyday apps. Understand channel security with DM pairing, ensuring only approved users can interact, combining usability with safe setup. Number 2. Running OpenClaw locally with Ollama. Run OpenClaw locally with Ollama to build a private, low-cost AI setup without relying on external APIs. Learn local model integration and self-hosted infrastructure, giving you more control and independence over your assistant. Number 3. Automating your email and calendar with Google Workspace. Connect OpenClaw with Google Workspace to automate emails, manage inboxes, and schedule meetings like a real assistant. Learn productivity integration, enabling your assistant to act on real tasks instead of just having conversations. Number 4. Automating web tasks with OpenClaw's browser tools. Use OpenClaw's browser tools to automate web tasks like navigating sites, clicking interfaces, and performing repetitive actions. Learn browser automation, enabling your assistant to move beyond chat and directly operate software for you. Number 5. Deploying OpenClaw securely on a virtual private server for 24/7 use. Deploy OpenClaw on a VPS to keep your assistant running 24/7 even when your local machine is off. Learn deployment and operational security, including uptime, access control, and safe exposure of your assistant. These 5 projects progressively teach you to build, integrate, automate, and deploy a fully functional OpenClaw AI assistant for real-world use. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay sparked. See you in the next video.